you go when you need to look up specific case law? Have you been beating your head against the wall trying to search the internet? Perhaps you've been doing fruitless searches on county courthouse websites, getting nowhere fast. Well, I think I have some news that might make you smile, or at least stop you from throwing your laptop out of the window. I'm going to show you how to use the search features of LexisNexis Academic so that you can find landmark or specific court cases easily, quickly, and accurately. To get to the LexisNexis Academic database, you need to go to the LRC homepage at www.harrison.edu/LRC. Then click on the All Databases tab. Then you need to scroll down to the LexisNexis Academic link. You may be prompted to log in with your Harrison username and password. Once you've logged in, you can see there are different options for searching LexisNexis. The first way to search is by using what is called the Legal Case widget. Here you can look up a legal case by citation, party name, or by legal case topic. Many times, the easiest way to look up a legal case is to enter the name of the parties involved. For instance, if you know that you want to look up Goldstein versus Christensen, 638 Northeast, 2nd District, 541, Ohio, you could enter Goldstein and Christensen into the boxes and then hit go. You'll see that you get a few options, and by looking for your citation, 638 Northeast, 2nd District, 541, you can see this one's the right version, and you can click on the correct case. From this results screen, you have the option to print, email, or save this case, and if you want to start over with a new search at any time, you click the LexisNexis logo in the left-hand corner, and that'll take you back to the beginning screen. Using the citation search is also another handy tool, but you have to be really careful with the way you enter your citations in the correct format. For example, let's search this case by citation. Okay, have all my information. Let's hit go. No documents found. Oh, let's see. I see what I did. I didn't put my periods in between the N and the E. This is very picky. So you have to be very careful and make sure you have all of the information in there exactly correct. So I didn't put the periods in between the N and the E in the Northeast. So you have to make sure you have those in there and then hit go. And there it comes up with the correct one because that's the exact citation. So that can make the difference between getting a good result and getting no results. So you want to make sure that you have your information entered exactly correct with no extra spaces, with all the periods in the correct place when you're doing a citation search. That's why I recommend searching by party name if possible. And also, there is a citation help link here, which will show you the correct format for citations for different types of cases if you ever get stuck and you're not sure. But always check by party name if you have that ability, and then on the results page you can look for the correct citation. You can also browse by topic if you'd like to find cases related to a specific area of the law. Now, if the case you're looking for is a landmark case, then searching by party name or citation is not very helpful. For instance, if you wanted to find information on the famous Roe v. Wade case, then typing in Roe v. Wade by party name brings back over 20 results. This can get really confusing. That's why LexisNexis has compiled a list of these landmark legal cases. To search by landmark legal case, you can click under the widget where it says landmark cases, Or you can go over to the left-hand side under U.S. Legal and click Landmark Cases. Both of these links will take you to the Landmark U.S. Legal Case list. They're arranged by subject, and here you'll find Roe v. Wade, and you can select the case you want, and it'll take you directly to the right one. If you find that you need a more advanced search than the legal case widget allows for, you can use the blue search forms available on the left sidebar. If you click on the U.S. Legal, you can see several options available. Clicking on one of these, like federal and state cases, brings up this search form in the center. Here you'll be able to enter the criteria for the search you want. You can see that you can use this form to search U.S. federal and state cases by citation, party name, and legal topics, just like you could on the search widget. However, you have other options too, like judges and attorneys. You can also limit by date and jurisdiction. This allows you to do a much more advanced search than using just a simple legal widget search. And that about covers the ins and outs of searching in LexisNexis. As always, if you have questions, please talk to your campus librarian or email us at harrison.librarian@harrison.edu. Happy searching!